Hello guys, welcome back to Teen Edu Children Law Update family. Thank you all so much for pulling up and supporting this channel. You're all amazing. This video today is dedicated to those who strive and worked hard to ensure the safety of our children, and also to those social care professionals, lawyers and voluntary organizations. We're going to today discuss the recent statistics and trends on public law and private family law proceedings, covering the period of time between April 2024 and June 2024. Let us dive into the statistics and trend and know what it means for us in this last 4 months. Before I continue, if you have not yet done so, please click share and subscribe, and also click on the notification button so you can get regular updates from us. Now, going to the statistics and trends, interestingly enough, there are currently 28,954 open children cases where a children's guardian has been appointed. This is 2,889 fewer children's cases than the same time last year. This represents a 9.1% reduction from the same period last year. Also, there are 47,280 children involved in the 28,954 cases, which represents 4,854 fewer children compared to the month of June 2023, which is also equivalent to a reduction of 9.3% from the same period last year. The trend here is that open children cases have decreased in comparison to June 2023. There were 11,566 open public law children's cases at the end of June 2024 involving 20,448 children. This represents 900 fewer children's cases and 1,872 fewer children involved in those type of cases compared to the same month last year. In other words, this is a 7.2% reduction in the children's cases and 8.4% reduction in the number of children involved in June 2024 compared to June 2023. There were 17,388 private law children cases in which a guardian was appointed at the end of June 2024, involving 26,832 children. This is 1,989 fewer children's cases and 2,982 fewer children compared to the same period last year. In percentage terms, there was a reduction of 10.3% fewer private law cases in which a guardian was appointed when comparing June 2024 to June 2023, and there were 10% fewer children involved in those types of proceedings. It would interest you to know that between 1st of April 2024 and 30th of June 2024, there were 9,641 new private law children cases in which a guardian was appointed and involving 14,658 children. Between 1st of April 2024 and the end of June 2024, there were 2,712 new Section 31 care applications involving 4,450 children. Also, between 1st of April 2024 and 30th of June 2024, there were about 3,901 other new public law children's cases which are not Section 31 matters involving 6,208 children. I hope you were following me with all these statistics. For the period between April 2024 and the end of June 2024, 30th of June 2024, there was 0.3% increase in cases involving children, which represent about 45 more children's cases involving 80 fewer children compared to the relevant period last year. The data also shows or saw a 0.2% decrease in public law children cases, which represent a reduction of 8 children's cases, and 123 children were involved compared to the same period of April to June 2023. However, there was a 0.6% increase in private law children's cases, which represent 53 more children's cases and involving 43 more children when compared with the same period last year. In June 2024, CAFCAS received 4,082 new children's cases, and these new cases involved 6,240 children, and CAFCAS average daily demand level in June 2024 was 204 children's cases per working day, compared to 226 children's cases received per working day during June 2023. The disclosed data also confirms that there has been an overall longer-term reduction in new applications for public and private proceedings following the COVID-19 pandemic that started in March in the year 2020. The role of CAFCAS and the court in supporting children cannot be underestimated and should not be underestimated, because between 1st of April in the year 2023 to 31st of March in the year 2024, CAFCAS as an organization received 55,830 new children's cases. In the 12 months period of 2023 and 2024, involving 86,419 children. This is 10.3% lower than 5 years ago in the 1 year period between 1st April 2018 to the end or to 31st of March 2019. CAFCAS has always been and continues to support children, but in recent time, CAFCAS is supporting a higher number of children annually. The organization worked with 137,347 children on new or existing proceedings in the 12 months period between the year 2023 and the year 2024, compared to 133,855 years ago in the 12 months period of 2018 and 2019, which represent an increase of 2.6 8%. And finally, within the last 2 months, more than 2/3, approximately 67.3% of children that CAFCAS work with are involved in private law proceedings, and slightly lower than 1/3, which is about 32.7%, are involved in public law proceedings. The statistics and trends that we've discussed today seems to show that there is considerable pressure on the family court, and in turn this means that children and families will continue to be in proceedings for longer since the COVID-19 pandemic era. And finally, yet again, as at June 2024, the average Section 31 case is taking 43 weeks to conclude. I hope you have found this trends and statistics useful, and please share this video and let me know what you think about it. This update news regarding the statistics on children proceedings in England and Wales has been provided to you by Teen Children Law Update to enable cooperation between various agencies and ensure that children are properly safeguarded to ensure that they have a proper childhood. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comments below, and if you have not yet done so, hit the subscribe button and share this video. Please make sure you do so. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you all so much.